In this video, we'll teach you how to use Onepay at Walmart. So let's start. Shop for your items. Walk through Walmart, add everything you need to your cart. Then you need to open the Onepay app, make sure your phone is charged and the app is ready. Then you need to log in and unlock, enter your PIN, Face ID or fingerprint. Then you need to choose the payment method, select the card or linked bank account if you want to use. Then go to the checkout, works at both self-checkout kiosks or regular cashiers. Then you need to look at the screen. Walmart will display a special QR code or barcode for digital payment. Then you need to scan with Onepay, use your phone's camera and the top of the app to scan the code. Verify the total, double check that the amount matches what's shown on your Walmart screen, confirm and pay. Tap confirm in the app and payment is proceeded instantly. And finally, you can get your receipt. You'll receive a paper receipt from Walmart and a digital one in Onepay. So that's how you can use Onepay at Walmart. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.